Godfrey Nabireba wabirori umujyenyi mukuru mu kutongoza programu yo kwihemenyeto mu bworo ya Youth Enterprise Challenge kandi umukoro ukorirwa hari Banda Mission.
Hari yo sente z'ukwezi byabereye twineye sente za Youth Livelihood. Is this group qualified for that money? They are qualified. Then why not? We have billions and billions for you.
Konkobwo ajumirira bebembezi abatakugambira programu ezi na mnonge sente za guro etakamanyure kurungi.
Currently twineye sente z'abakazi ombanka kazeta guro za guro. But bank ezine ziriyo kwezi byabereyo people will not go and ask about that money. They will not do anything at the end of it all. Zigarukeyo.
Programu ya Youth Enterprise Challenge abebembezi 30 bamazire sabiti barukushomesibwa kandi obureberezi burukwatanisa na Opportunity International bahiro bwari okwenegeze hurureji
arho y'abanyankore erujya mu watsire wagira mwe wandize ababure inamasiko mwayerebera ekimaningamba kuja please put emphasis on the youth. Please put emphasis on the youth. Please put emphasis on the youth.
Each program ne kwa ne focusing amenyeto ombyaro kubahutura zo ombina bakega kwebicira kandi bakaruko mugoro
omukubara abantu kuhendire emyete shanjure ryo mu bucweka nshanjo nabira harigana ekiri kumanyisa ngo eriyo miliyoni 3
haza ekikusasa harabata kumanyi mbizo bajyabonerenga bakatahekora okuba kwasa kuronda abo kwatsigaro mbije
twenda kusima Opportunity International ahabo hereze n'abasekureta yitake munyeto omulebezi wano Western College
omakura gandi omnyeshongero wa Ibanda South John Paulo Ninkusima ashabira beji okushoma munonga kandi ogwa abirari omujyenyi mukuru aha mukuru gw'ishomero ya Kitagwenda High School ogwa bashomireho
muri twenka obizi ijobe twabugana ahishomero ryitu eritwakurireho twagarukomuka kandi ombyamani twantu etagaho kugambaho no kutakikuru no kugambana nabeji kuboreka ngo wakore ikintu tine target tine cyo kwihaho
ishomero ya Kitagwenda High School kabari ry'amani omubwiro bwa kare bitiriza ryagaruka hansi kandi hati yiri nabeje bishatu kinana bonka kandi omnyishengero yasima bashomireho abogarikira ishomero yabo
na wari bahabyapa byago na bageta government aided schools when government nega yamba hukuba so ekikumanisa government neza kutereza 100% iyo netu yambaho eterezaho ka percent kukurangwa amashomero ga government gatambara no vunanzwa bwabazire no vunanzwa bwa local leaders no vunanzwa bwa OBs kureba ngo ishomero ryitu byagumo
bamuha bashomira hishomerere barukora no kushashura beji abatakwebasa kandi hatibina beji 10.
The bursary scheme, which is the bedrock of our innovation, has since its inception in October 2022 sponsored over 24 students. Textbooks, office equipment like printers, the donation of a heifer, among others, cannot go unappreciated.
Ishomereri rikatandikwa mwaka gwa 1981 riri kutandikwa bazire hansi ya Kereziya. Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.